By tomorrow, our high temperatures will be nearing 90 degrees. So that means it's time to start thinking about avoiding heat-related illness this summer. Now, of course, in North Alabama and southern Tennessee, this is not new to us. However, heat-related illness is a main weather-related cause of major sickness. So let's talk about it. The key thing you want to do is try to avoid getting to the point of heat stroke or heat exhaustion. And the best way to do that is to consistently hydrate with water. Drinking soda or sugary sports drinks won't get the job done. In fact, sometimes it even has a negative effect. So hydrating with water or even milk is a great call. The other thing you need to do is take frequent breaks indoors in the air conditioning. And if you are outside in the sun, make sure you're wearing loose-fitting clothing that's breathable and light colors so it doesn't absorb all the sun's heat. Now, if heat-related illness were to take place, it's key to know the difference between heat stroke and heat exhaustion because you have to treat them very differently. Here are the warning signs of heat exhaustion. You'll see faint or dizzy conditions. That's how you'll feel. The key here is excessive sweating. Your skin will start to feel cool and look pale. Your heart rate, well, that becomes rapid, but your pulse is in fact very weak to the touch. And of course, you'll have some muscle cramps as well. If heat exhaustion develops, this is something you can treat at home, though you need to do so immediately. Make sure you get that person or yourself into a cool place away from the sun. Give them a cold compress, a whole lot of water, and maybe even take a cold shower. Now, heat stroke, that's slightly different. You'll still have a throbbing headache, very similar to the dizziness that you felt in heat exhaustion. However, the difference is you're no longer sweating and your skin is not cool or pale. It's now bright red and burning. You'll have dry skin as well. Rather than a rapid heart rate and pulse, you'll have a strong pulse that'll stick with you rather than the weak one that you had in heat exhaustion. You'll also notice that you could lose consciousness in this state. So if someone does that, that's when you know it's heat stroke indeed. The big key here is this is not something treatable at home. So you need to call in the professionals and call 911 immediately so that that person can stay safe. That's all for Nello Answers It this week. If you have a weather question, be sure to email it to me at gianello@waytv.com because I would love to hear from you.